everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I am sicker than a dog right now. I have a fever. I am so cold right now, it's ridiculous. I'd rather just sit in front of my fireplace and just sit there. Like, I have layers and layers and layers on, but I am just so cold, and I'm not like feverish, but I am just feeling like crap today. So after I get done with this video, I'm taking a bath because I just need to break the fever. But it is time, you guys know this, it is time to do the extreme couponing to extreme donating. Jeff, who saves with coupons, he does this every single month. He gets a bunch of us together to show you guys different ways to coupon and then donate stuff. You know, everybody does it differently. One thing I do want to say, and I learned my lesson with this donation. Now, I already did the video showing you guys what I did, so you guys will stay towards that at the end. But anytime you like meet up with somebody on a line that, like, you know, when I had my rummage sale, I had a lot of people saying, oh, why don't you donate it? And then one person messaged me and she's like, well, I work for so-and-so and so-and-so. And I says, okay, I'll donate that stuff to you. And she's like, well, where would you like to meet? And I says, well, I'll meet you at Walgreens. And so I messaged her, you know, the day before, and I says, hey, I need a receipt. I always ask for a receipt when I donate stuff, just for certain reasons. And she's like, well, I don't have a receipt and I can't get one till Monday. I says, that's fine, just send me a receipt, you know, on Monday, that's fine. And she's like, okay. Well, then on Sunday I messaged her and I said, okay, I'm here, or I'm gonna be there in probably like an hour or so if you want to meet me. And nothing. Like, on Facebook Messenger, you can tell if the person's read that message or not, but nothing. And then I says, okay, I'm here. I'll be here for like a little bit if you want to meet up with me, and nothing. She hasn't even read the messages, and this is a week later, and she still hasn't read the messages. So she did tell me the place that she supposedly works at, so I'm going to get a hold of them and see if I can donate it, because it is a place that a lot of younger women or girls need that stuff. So I'm still going to donate it and get a hold of somebody else, because I don't know if she was a fraud or not. So that's why you should always get a receipt when you guys donate a bunch of stuff. But the people who are in this month's people who are in this month's extreme couponing to extreme donating. Now, I will try to put the link of everybody's channel in the description below. I will probably do it after the video is posted, just because it's easier to grab everybody's channel from that. But it is Nicole Burgess, Savvy Coupon Shopper, Ash Loves Coupons, Gina Schweppe, Brittany Tolberg, myself, Nicole, Coupon Queen of Columbus, Amazing Teppy, Madison Pippins, Christina, Coupons With You, It's My Own Identity, Anchor Amber, and Jeff Saves with Coupons. So you definitely want to check everybody's, you know, extreme couponing to extreme donating. Everybody does different things. You could just do the simple little things, or you could donate money. I know there's a lot of places that do it. So yes, again, thanks, Jeff, and here is the video that you guys can see of everything that I donated. And thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be donating. A lot of you guys know I just had my garage sale not that long ago, so I'm giving away a lot of pads. We got Poise and Preza, a lot of Kotex, Carefree, Always. I'm giving away all these Summer Eves products, more liners, just pads galore. So I'm getting rid of all of this stuff because I feel like I just don't need it. I got so much of it, and I'm giving it to that shelter. And then here is more stuff that I'm giving away. We got Carefree, more Stay Free, Stay Free, Stay Free. So these are all the stuff that I will be getting rid of and donating. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up and show you.